How to fix error code 0x80072EFD in Microsoft Store on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help fix Windows 10 Store error 0x80072EFD. 1. Input usreset.exe in the run box. Restart the computer and rerun MS Store. 2. Disable any active proxy connection. 3. Run PowerShell execution policy unrestricted command and $manifest equals get apps package Microsoft.Windows Store .install location plus apps manifest.xml. Add apps package disable development mode register $manifest command in PowerShell as admin. 4. Delete the software distribution folder at c:\windows/soft twa redistribution / in Windows safe mode.